Hey everybody, this is Juice with Team at HomeSmart, and here I am at Standard 4 meeting this handsome gentleman. Let's find out who he is and what he's up to. May I have your name, please?
I'm James Baldessano.
And what is your business?
We are Brianna's Gardens Custom Landscape Design.
And so how did you start that business?
I started the business about 20 years ago. The love of gardening and construction and just making over somebody's yard, somebody's dream after they buy a house and they just want to either raise the property value or just enjoy their yard and their outdoor living space. Named after my daughter Brianna, who's 16.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Who's an employee, by the way.
That's good to know.
That's
She's
great.
willing to work for daddy's company.
Sometimes.
Yeah, I know how hard it is to get a teenager to work for us.
Yes.
But you're doing a great job.
Oh, I love it. Bringing back honesty to the contractor field. I mean, the one-on-one with the customers is rewarding, and just being able to drive by a year later and seeing like their beautiful yard and seeing them sitting out on their patio or on their deck, and it's pretty cool actually.
That gives you a lot of happiness, right?
Love it.
Yeah, sounds like you're really enjoying your job.
I really
too.
do. I really do.
Yeah.
I love the interaction. I love meeting the customers at the nursery, at the stone yard, and just watching everything just develop as it happens. It's great. Yeah.
It's really hard to find honest,
We get a bad name. We get a bad name, contractors. It's a shame because so many. I hear horror stories of people take deposits and then they skip state or they don't finish the job, or it's about the customer. I mean, if I didn't have customers, I wouldn't have a business, right?
But the thing is, it's a lucky day for a lot of people because I'm introducing the most honest landscaper.
I think so.
Yeah.
I think so. And my crew is top notch. I mean, everybody's there to make everybody happy. I mean, I know it sounds corny in these days, but this is what it is. So bringing it back.
I did not find you. You were recommended by one of the Valley Stream moms.
Amazing.
Who you did work for,
Oh.
and she was very happy with the quality of the work.
A lot of work.
And the quality of service you provided to her. That's why she recommended me to you to interview you.
Well, I'm glad I met you.
Yep, ladies and gentlemen, we're looking at the Brianna Landscaping Design Company owner, James.
Brianna's Gardens.
Thank you, sorry. Could you repeat the name of the company one more time?
Brianna's Gardens Custom Landscape Design.
And what's the phone number if people want to reach you?
516-368-4149.
Okay, great. Thank you so much for the great interview, James.
Thank you.